충격이 심각하게 귓구멍을 후벼 파는 한 여성이 있습니다.
It's 5:27 a.m. I remember because I hated working at Starbucks, and I looked at the clock every 2 minutes begging for my shift to end, or for a robber to come in and blow my brains out.
조이는 믿을 수 없는 남성을 만났던 바로 그 순간을 상담사에게 털어놓고 있습니다.
And in comes this guy in a deep purple tracksuit, looking like some Eastern European gangster. It was raining, not pouring, just enough water to make his hair like the good kind of wet, you know?
조이의 얘기는 별것 없는데 이상하게 몰입이 됩니다.
So I finish my shift and I go home and I take a nap before my catering job that night. I was bartending at this like old boys club event. I don't know, something to do with cigars. And lo and behold, there's this same guy. Emerald green tracksuit this time with like a dress shirt and tie. And I'm like, this dude's a fucking alien. So I tell him that. I'm like, hey, you're an alien. And he's like, how did you know? And I'm like, your tracksuit, buddy. And he's like, okay, but you can't tell anyone else. If you do, I'll have to fuck, eat, and kill you. And I'm like, well, that's really specific. And he laughs and he's like, yeah. And he orders a whiskey and he pays and he leaves. Says goodnight. And then later on, while I'm cleaning up, he comes up to me and he's like, hey, can I get one more? And I'm like, no, sorry, it's illegal. And he's like, well, do you know where else I can get a drink? And I'm like, there's like 4 bars on this street, dude. And he's like, come with me. And I'm like, no, you're an alien. And he's like, yeah, but I'm an alien who wants to save the world. And I'm like, from what? And he's like, climate change. And I'm like, how? And he's like, I have these seeds on my ship. And the trees grow into these like beautiful, multicolored, glowing masterpieces. And I'm like, whoa. And he's like, yeah, they suck 100 times more CO2 than Earth trees do. And I'm like, that's impressive. And he's like, yeah, do you want to hear more? And I don't know. Maybe it's because I do care a lot about climate change. Or maybe his smile was actually cute. Or maybe I was just bored and 27 and working 2 dead-end jobs because I couldn't afford an actual unpaid internship at a real newspaper. I don't know, whatever the reason was, I said, I was like, fuck it, yeah, let's drink. So we go and we drink and we talk and he tells me about his home world and how it got destroyed by all these excess greenhouse gases and his whole family was murdered and the government didn't do anything about it till it was too late. And he wanted to honor them by saving other people's planets. So he had just gone to Earth and he was living at this like compound out in the hills. And he asked me to go out there with him. And I was like, absolutely not. And he's like, I won't do anything. And I was like, no, you're an alien. And he's like, yeah, but do you believe I'm an alien? And I'm like, do you really want me to answer that? And then, out of his index finger, came this little tentacle. And it slithered across the table, and it gently wrapped itself around my wrist. And then a faint glow started on the tentacle, and it started at his fingertip, and went over to mine. And when it reached me, all my anxiety went away.
남성의 족수가 몸에 닿자 마치 헤로인을 흡입한 것처럼 모든 불안과 우울이 사라지고 환상적인 오르가즘이 느껴졌습니다.
So I take a second, I sip my drink, and then I say, fuck it, take me. And so he takes me, and he shows me these trees, and I'm like, Jesus, these trees. Fuck, there's like nothing cooler in life than seeing shit glow that shouldn't be glowing. So yeah, I fucked an alien named Brian. I mean, that wasn't his real name. He got it out of a baby book. He never actually told me his real name. We fucked under the glowing trees because, like, what else are you supposed to do, I felt like a girl in one of those hentai porns, he lifted me up in the air and all these tentacles wrapped around me. And it was pure bliss.
저택엔 로라란 이름의 인간 조수가 있었습니다. 그런데 그녀는 브라이언이 무엇을 하든 어떤 불평도 하지 않고 도왔죠.
And I don't know, but we started having sex. And I don't know, he must have gotten too drunk because it got a little aggressive. Not like violent, but like hot, like temperature hot. Like my whole body was on fire. And I asked him to stop, but he wouldn't listen. And then like my face started to sweat and it was turning red and it started to glow. And I yelled at him to stop, but because my head was pounding, it was like thump, 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 thump. And I felt like the blood was like swelling into my brain. And I asked him, I was yelling at him, stop. And he must not have heard me. I don't know. And it felt like at any moment my body was just going to pop like a balloon. And I just kept yelling, stop, stop, stop. And then at the last possible moment when I felt like my head was going to like explode like a watermelon, he came. And when reality set in, he asked me if something was wrong, and I said, nope. And then he fell asleep. And I ran. I packed up my shit and I ran all the way from his house to Craig's front door. And I don't know, I mean, I must have blacked out or something because he found me bloody-footed and covered in dirt. Craig, that is. And he never asked me any questions. And I've been living with him ever since. How was that?
갈 곳이 없는 조이는 그렇게 크레이그의 집에서 얹혀 살게 됩니다. 그런데 크레이그는 게이라 남친을 집에 데려올 때면 조이는 숨소리도 내지 말고 숨어 있는 게 조건이었습니다.
By the way, I'm having a grinder date come over tonight, and I kind of told him that I live alone, so I kind of need you to go into your room and stay there with all the lights off and make no sound when he comes over.
이때 예전에 찍은 사진들을 다시 살펴보는 조이.
Lights out, bitch.
조이는 돌아갈 가족도 없고 직업도 없습니다. 크레이그에게 쫓겨난다면 말 그대로 거짓 신세로 살아야겠죠. 방금 조이와 마주친 사람은 상담에서 말한 외계인 브라이언입니다.
Are you healed? God, I miss you. Your beguiling face has never left my mind.
Craig? Craig?
Thanks, Narc, you're here.
What is this? Smell like horse shit.
크레이그의 집은 분노의 역류가 한창입니다. 문제는
Okay, I just got off the phone with them and they said that it's gonna cost like 10 grand minimum to fix and like I don't have that kind of money.
크레이그도 조이도 모아놓은 돈이 전혀 없다는 거죠. 부모님께 집을 물려받고 매달 $500 용돈도 받는 조건으로 독립을 했는데 취직도 안 하고 이렇게 사는 걸 알게 되면 분명 모든 지원이 끊길 겁니다.
I saw the sex tape. It's weird. I feel like these days it's impossible to deny the existence of aliens. I just never thought the way that I'd find out would be live action hentai.
크레이그는 비디오를 본 후 머릿속에서 화려하게 움직이는 촉수의 움직임이 사라지지 않습니다.
Brian invited us to his house, his vacation home for the weekend. Well, he invited me, but I don't think he'll mind if you go.
아버지가 주시는 $500를 모아 수리비를 충족할 때까지 그들은 브라이언의 집에서 빌부터 있기로 합니다.
Be careful, it's hot.
크레이그는 일본어 통역사가 꿈입니다. 그래서 이렇게 듀오링고 어플로 매일 공부를 하고 있죠.
Death is our fate.
그렇게 다시 외계인의 집으로 돌아가는 조이.
Let me do the talking.
브라이언은 우통을 벗고 아침 체조를 합니다. 그런데 이 모습을 보고 예전 기억이 떠오르는 조이.
My lady, you're such a prepossessing sight.
What in the Shakespeare does that mean?
You must be Craig. A pleasure.
Welcome, you two. Where are your bags?
They're out front.
Oh, but you don't have to go to get
That's what I
them.
pay her the big bucks for, Craig. Let her take your baggage. I want to give you the grand tour.
Okay.
마치 다른 목적이 있는 것 같은 크레이그의 표정.
Please don't come in here when I'm here.
Brian requests you wear this dress for dinner, but I see you've grown a little soft, so why don't I let it out a little first?
Laura, thank you. Can you please get out?
As you wish. A little something. I've told you not to Q-tip, sweetie. It's bad for your ears.
식사 시간. 브라이언은 크레이그에게 자신의 정체를 숨기지 않습니다.
It is true what Joey says. I am an alien. And I suppose I have the capability to, let's say, be dangerous. Something I vowed never to do. So in the effort to be fully transparent, a little demonstration.
Oh my god. Is that like alien serum or something?
It's sugar-free lemonade powder. Turns out my species is deathly allergic to it.
브라이언은 자신이 위협적이지 않다는 걸 증명하기 위해 자신의 약점을 보여줍니다. 그리고 제로 레모네이드를 몸속에 주입하는 브라이언. 극심한 고통에 몸부림치는 브라이언. 그러다 설탕이 가득한 콜라를 주입하자 금방 정신을 차립니다.
Now you know my weakness. You'll find several syringes underneath the sink filled with it, in case you need it. Enjoy your salmon.
He's fucking hot. Laura's weird.
She's fine. Just always the bridesmaid, you know.
Yeah, whatever. To be that close to that kind of gorgeousness. I mean, the tracksuit thing's a little weird, but it works. I don't know. It's just so hard to believe he was so violent to you.
조이는 브라이언과 관계 도중 죽을 뻔해 도망쳤지만 그건 자신이 위험하다고 생각해 도망친 거지. 브라이언이 고의로 폭력을 쓴 건 분명히 아닙니다. 그리고 무엇보다 몸에 해로운 걸 알아도 다시 마약을 찾는 중독자들처럼 조이는 브라이언을 그리워하며 이렇게 돌아왔죠.
Do you think you'll fuck him again? I just might if you don't.
I can never tell when you're joking or being serious.
God, I'm totally joking. God, no, I would for sure tell you if I was being serious. Plus, it's been so long at this point, I'm pretty sure my anus has dried up and disappeared anyways.
다음날 아침 일찍부터 브라이언이 춤을 추는데 이 자리에 크레이그가 함께하고 있습니다.
I'm a real live fuckboy. There was a moment where like the energy was crackling and then like dolphin roll. I did a dolphin roll? That was hey.
Why didn't you wake me?
Oh, we tried, but you were snoring so deep. We were just like, you know what? She's gonna get up whenever she wants to, right?
알게 모르게 소외감을 느낀 조이.
Joe, do you want something to drink?
There'll be time for that later. Now that you're awake, it's time for me to help you. To help us all. If the three of you will come with me, it's time to change your lives. I invite each of you to take a seat in front of the Chrysalis Gigantum. If everyone could take a deep breath. And again. The pollen from the trees should be taking effect now. Your anuses are open. Excellent. This Chrysalis Gigantum is something I carried with me from my home planet. The crystal requires an offering in the form of your past hardship. You must take a moment from your life, say it out in the open, and once that's done, cut yourself with this knife. Drip some of your blood.
브라이언은 이 크리스탈이 진실을 말하면 피를 흡수하고 거짓을 말하면 뱉어낸다고 말합니다. 그리고 충분한 피가 모이면 모든 상처와 아픔을 치료할 수 있는 신비로운 빛이 난다고 말하죠.
So, who shall begin?
크레이그는 어릴 적 가족에게 겪은 충격적인 사건을 고백합니다.
So we used to have these family reunions on my mom's side, and they were like these massive affairs, like a lot of liquor. And my uncle would always slip me some, and he was like the cool uncle. Anyways, the first time that it happened, I was trying to go to sleep, and my door had a lock on it, but you could pick it with a screwdriver, and he did. And he was barely aware of his surroundings. He stumbled in, he fell onto my bed, crushing my body. I was like 11 years old. But he started snoring, so I pushed him off and I fell asleep. But then the next family reunion, he didn't stumble. No. He crawled on top of me deliberately, and he started, like growling like a lion.
이야기를 마친 크레이그는 손가락을 따서 피 한 방울 떨어뜨리는데 크리스탈은 피를 흡수하고 아름다운 소리를 냅니다. 그리고 조이의 차례.
Growing up, I was in and out of 5 different foster homes. And I never had any good parental figures.
그렇게 위탁 가정을 떠돌던 조이는 자신처럼 에이미란 위탁 소녀가 있는 집으로 가게 됩니다. 그런데 에이미는 돌아가신 엄마의 목걸이를 항상 차고 다녔죠.
One day I asked to borrow the necklace, and she almost said yes, but then said no. And I got so upset that the next day I accused her of stealing money, but they saw right through me, and I got so embarrassed that I lashed out and I bit her arm. The next day they sent me to a different home, and that memory still haunts me.
조이가 피를 떨어뜨리자 크리스탈은 피가 충분했는지 빛을 내기 시작합니다. 그리고 네 사람은 손을 크리스탈에 올리자 모든 근심과 걱정이 사라진 최고의 희열과 주체할 수 없는 감정이 폭발합니다.
Enjoying yourself.
Get out.
로라는 조이에게 또다시 말도 없이 떠나 브라이언을 아프게 하면 가만두지 않을 거라고 말합니다.
I don't think you got deep enough to get all the wax out. Let me help you.
Where are Laura and Craig?
They're in their healing light.
So still tripping balls?
Bingo.
브라이언은 로라와 크레이그가 없는 틈을 타 둘만의 시간을 보내려고 합니다.
What's that?
It was my mother's. She gave it to me before she died.
You never told me what happened.
Well, after the fourth quasar nexus, we knew we could no longer stay in the city. We had to find a more temperate climate. But our military had taken over the government. Now there were numerous checkpoints set up to get out of the city.
기후의 변화를 막지 못한 고향별에서 어머니는 브라이언만이라도 탈출시키며 자신의 목걸이를 줬다고 하는데 슈퍼맨 같은 영화에서 너무나 많이 들어본 스토리입니다.
He gave me this necklace of our family crest. She said if I revealed it to certain people, they'd take care of me.
브라이언은 자신을 곁에서 돌봐달라는 의미로 이 목걸이를 조이에게 줍니다.
Shall we have cross-species intercourse?
I haven't had intercourse cross-species or otherwise since.
I understand. It's all my fault. I now know how scary it was when I lost control. But you have to know, my touch can only take you so far into healing your wounds. If you embrace me fully, we can make your mind go quiet forever. Don't you want that?
브라이언의 촉수가 현란하게 움직이며 그의 따뜻한 점액이 온몸을 덮어옵니다. 그렇게 조이는 또 하늘로 들어 올려지고 그녀는 최고의 희열을 맛보게 됩니다. 그리고 몇 시간 뒤
Brian? Joey? Hello?
분명히 살려달라는 남자 목소리를 들었던 크레이그.
Joey? Brian?
What are you doing here?
Jesus! Shitballs! Fuck, you scared me. I thought I heard screams.
Maybe it was the machinery I used to water my plants?
브라이언이 다가와 거절할 수 없는 제안을 합니다.
Would you like to have cross-species intercourse with me?
Aren't you like with Joey?
What does that have to do with what I asked?
크레이그는 브라이언의 촉수를 거부하지 못합니다. 다음 날
I had sex with Brian last night. I know. It was bad before, I know, but I forgot how good it feels to have his tentacles on my skin. My mind just went quiet. For the first time in 5 years, it was just quiet. There's no sadness, no anxiety, just pure, unadulterated peace. And I've been searching for it for so long. And I think he's changed now. I can feel it. I don't even feel like I need to vape.
Oh my god, me too. Like, I know exactly what you mean. Like quiet. I had a pleasant dream for the first time in like a decade last night. It was so tender and warm. There's no shame. It was just like light. It made me feel so wanted.
Wow. You got all that from crystal therapy?
Thank you so much for bringing me. I never thought that I would find happiness, but then I've never seen you wear that necklace before.
Oh. Yeah, it was Brian's mother's. So sweet, right?
Oh.
He's waiting downstairs for us. He's gonna give us therapy assignments.
Today, I want to separate you two.
크레이그는 로라와 외부에서 치료를 하고 조이는 다시 크리스탈에서 치유의 빛을 받기로 합니다.
She lied to them. You wanna know why I fucking bit her? They bit that bitch because she pretended to be asleep night after night, while he, who doesn't deserve to have his name said out loud, touched me in ways that I never deserved for 2 fucking years.
심지어 조이가 이 학대 사실을 학교 선생님에게 털어놓았을 때 에이미는 조이의 편이 아닌 위탁 부모의 편을 들었습니다.
I wish death on you, Amy. I wish death on you more than them. I wish I could take a knife to your throat and cut you ear to ear and watch the blood flow out of your open wound like the Hoover Dam. You were a child. You didn't know any better. Well, guess fucking what? So was I. So was I.
그때
Hello?
브라이언은 처음 보는 남자와 이종 교합을 하고 있습니다. 그런데 이번엔 힘이 과했는지 남성은 브라이언을 버티지 못했죠.
I was convinced he'd be compatible.
Because he was attractive?
I don't only have cross-species intercourse with attractive people.
로라는 이종교합을 상대의 외모만 보고 하는 게 아니란 말에 고웃음을 칩니다.
My head would never explode. Did you hear me?
I refuse to indulge this request again.
Why?
You know why.
I'm still attractive.
항상 옆에서 다른 사람의 쾌락만 보고 있었던 로라는 언젠간 자신도 이종교합을 할 수 있을 거란 기대감에 이렇게 오랫동안 조수 역할을 해왔던 겁니다.
Use me. Use me as you have countless others. Lift me up into the air. Enter me with your lubricated appendages. Impregnate me with your seed. We can become one. I could be your queen.
Make sure you clean the wedges in the trees. Gray matter always gets jammed in there.
그리고 이 모든 것을 보고 들은 조이.
God, Joey! Hey! What the fuck? What?
천천히 가슴을 진정시키는 조이.
Eureka! I found you at last.
Joey, you look extremely unwell.
She was having a really bad panic attack.
이때 가볍게 조이를 만져주자 거짓말처럼 진정이 됩니다.
Better?
Later.
조이는 그날 이후 브라이언의 손길을 더 원하지만 브라이언은 조이와의 교합이 만족스럽지 못했는지 그녀의 제안을 계속 피합니다.
Now, the only thing you two must do is breathe through this exercise. The dirt you're sitting in is absorbing all of the anxiety, all of the stress, all of the unnecessary emotions that feed your inner lizard monsters.
브라이언은 이렇게 품종을 개발하여 자기 복제를 합니다. 그러기 위해선 인간의 분노와 증오의 감정 그리고 공포심이 필요했죠.
Now I'm about to do something you might not like. But ultimately information needs to be revealed in order for us all to move on. I must admit I am the perpetrator of this bad news.
No, Brian, I don't think you should.
On the same night that we had cross-species intercourse, I also had cross-species intercourse with Craig. I know. I should have discussed it with you first. But there's something about you two together, something so wonderful and magical. It makes me agog with anticipation.
Joey, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry.
There's no need to apologize to her, Craig. It's all my own doing. You were here, I desired you, I took you. But I also want her. I want you both.
Joey, I'm sorry. True.
좋아하는 사람이 절친과 잠자리를 했다는 소식에 충격과 분노하지 않을 사람은 없을 겁니다. 그 상대가 동성이라면 더 충격이겠죠.
Breathe into the dirt.
Breathe, Joey. Come on.
You have to breathe into the dirt. Breathe into the dirt. Please.
Breathe, Joey.
Please. Breathe into Joey.
I need to tell you something.
Okay.
You should go. Take the car. I involved you in this, and I just... It's my responsibility to keep you safe.
Well, why don't we both leave?
Yeah, no, right, no, we will. But you should go first.
Why me first?
Like I just said.
You should leave first because you are in a much more mentally precarious position than I am. You should let me deal with this.
What?
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 So you don't want to stay.
Oh my god, no! No. Oh my god, what he's doing is horrible. We both need to leave, but you first.
I'm just trying to protect you.
Right. No bad ideas. What if, like, we both didn't go?
Brian's mine.
You bitch! I knew it! I fucking knew it! Oh my god! You don't care that he's murdering people at all, do you?
I do care. Do you?
Yes, I care! I just that the feeling that he gives...
Is mine. You don't deserve it.
Oh my god! I share everything with you. Everything for 5 fucking years, and this is how you repay
Are
me.
you fucking kidding me?
You hate seeing me happy. Yeah, the one time I find pure bliss and you want to keep it all to yourself? Fuck you! I'm staying! Oh my god!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god, Joey! Why did you do that?
I'm so sorry.
Oh my god!
I don't know
What the
what you're
fuck? What the fuck? You don't do that shit to people! You have a pretty watch. I want a pink dress.
Brian requests you meet him for a walk. He also requests you wear this.
What about me?
There just might be something special for you in your closet. Why don't you go take a look?
I observe that you're stressed.
Sorry if I'm upset that I just learned my boyfriend is fucking my best friend. This is all Craig's fault.
He didn't just trip and fall on my tentacle appendage. I had to transform. There were 2 of us. He required warming up. The anus is a complicated...
Okay, just stop, please.
I now require both of you. I know that's a lot to take in. But you must be okay with this. I'd hate to end our relationship, but I will if necessary.
Do you think before dinner tonight you can... I'm just really anxious and you haven't done it since this morning.
Let's see how you behave at dinner.
외계인 대물 남친을 뺏길까봐 불안한 조이.
Wine, Craig? Of course you want wine. When have you ever said no to alcohol? He touched you, didn't he?
Please, Joey, you're embarrassing yourself. I'd like to propose a toast. Everything's out in the open now, which I am frankly relieved by. I know things might be awkward for a few days, but I hope very soon we'll all be able to really view each other as family to family.
Don't! Brian, Craig is a traitor, and he poisoned the wine.
브라이언을 암살하기 위해 크레이그가 레모네이드를 와인에 탔다는 조이. 그런데 누가 봐도 이건 조이의 거짓말입니다.
Joey, this is really sad. Please.
No, this is unreal. He can't. Murder is wrong. We have to do something, Joey. He told us where the sugar-free lemonade powder is.
AI 목소리 합성 앱으로 가짜 대화를 만들어낸 조이.
You conniving little son of...
The fuck? I had that tracksuit specially made, and this is how you repay me.
No, Brian, she deep-faked my voice. You have to believe me.
I don't know what that means.
It's this, like...
Enough!
The only one who deep-faked anything is you. You faked your deep love.
쾌락을 위해 자신을 속였다는 사실에 큰 상처를 받은 브라이언.
Fucking bitch! You fucking duplicitous bitch!
이제 브라이언을 독차지하게 된 조이는 다시 교합을 해달라고 간청합니다.
Do you think you could just... That's all.
조이는 점점 더 강한 자극을 원하는데 브라이언은 자신을 밀어내고 있습니다. 결국 변심을 느낀 조이는 다시 크레이그를 찾아갑니다.
Did you fucking bitch, I'll kill you!
Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to rescue you.
Wait, really?
Whisper, you idiot. I only thought he'd kick you out. I didn't think he would try to kill you. I'm not a bad person. Run.
What are you gonna do?
He loves me. I'll take my chances.
Hello, Joey. I was wondering if your pussy gave off some kind of irresistible pheromone. But alas, it smells so unbelievably normal. Craig almost made it to the car. But fortunately, he was making a large enough racket that Brian woke up, rushed to the garage, and caught him before he could escape. He's back in his cage now. Missing his left hand, of course. No. We're not doing that.
곧 조이가 잡아먹힐 시간이 올 거라며 웃음을 보이는 로라. 하지만 평생 누구 말을 들어본 적 없고 이간질과 고자질로 살아온 조이는 다시 브라이언을 찾아갑니다.
Joey, what are you doing
You
here?
need to shut up and listen. I know. I don't have a leg to stand on. And yes, I did help Craig escape, but can you blame me? He's my best friend. But despite all that, I need you to listen to me. Laura is a bad person. She's trying to take you away from me, and I can't let that happen again, okay? You make my brain go quiet. You make me feel so loved. You can have Laura. You can have Craig. You can have a whole harem if you want. I just, please don't leave me. Please don't make me leave you. Please, I need you.
Oh, shush. Oh, my darling angel. It's gonna be okay. I know she is.
What?
Laura has been growing more and more unstable every day. She's been trying to sabotage our relationship from the beginning.
로라가 자신을 원해 점점 이상하게 변하고 있다는 브라이언.
Don't worry. I forgive you for Craig.
We'll deal with her. And then we can put all this behind us.
Really?
Of course. You are my everything.
Your deep love for me was never faked. It was all real. All of it.
브라이언의 진심을 듣자 다 죽여버릴 생각인 로라. 레모네이드 주사 때문에 브라이언의 신체가 말라 비틀어집니다.
Finally!
Sleep.
I have just one question for you. One question. Was it all a lie?
브라이언은 로라의 신체에서 다시 태어났습니다. 그래서일까요? 자신을 공격한 건 로라라는 걸 기억하지 못합니다.
Laura injected you with the sugar-free lemonade powder. Don't you remember? Where are you, Laura?
그런데 조이는 진실을 해명하는 것보다 자신을 한 번만 만져달라며 간청합니다.
Brian, please. Please, my anxiety is so bad. Would you please just touch me and make my brain go quiet, and then we can...
Filthy liar!
Stop talking! Just stop!
Your betrayals are too many, and your truths too few. I loved you, and for the life of me, I still do. I don't know what I'm going to do with you, but until I decide, you will remain there.
크레이그는 처음부터 모두 함정이었다고 말합니다. 우리를 잡아먹으려는 외계인의 달콤한 유혹.
I think that climate change thing was a fucking lie. You think he's gonna anamorph us? I can't believe this. I knew it. I knew that this was too good to be true, and I never should have listened to you. I'm gonna fucking die because of you.
You came here on your own volition, and not 12 hours ago you were willing to let him do fucking anything to make your anxiety go away.
모든 걸 다른 사람 탓으로 돌리며 불안을 핑계로 오직 내면의 안정만을 위해 위험을 받아 안는 이들의 모습은 마치 헤로인이란 괴물을 찾아 헤매는 중독자들의 모습처럼 보입니다.
Where would you be without my money?
Probably on the street, but it'd be better than being emotionally tied to some baby who can't let go of his trauma.
I was fucking molested!
So was I, you dolt!
Yes, by a frat boy, like one fucking time, big whoop!
No, you moron, by my fucking foster parents.
What?
Yeah. I was never gonna tell you, but I'm glad you know now, because now you can stop parading your trauma around me like some sad little worm.
Oh, fuck you.
You ruined my life. My brain will never go quiet. He'll never...
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you still worried about the heroin skin? Bitch, we're gonna die. He's got you so addicted, just like I was.
It's lost, unfortunately. But I can make it clean. I'm still deliberating with Dance, but I'll be back soon. Twinsies.
I think I can get us out of here.
잠시 뒤 브라이언이 돌아옵니다.
I think we have a proposal.
Go on.
We don't want to die.
Right. A lot has been said, but I think we've been so vicious because
There are feelings.
생명체는 무엇이든 실수를 하고 거짓말을 하고 남을 속이며 원하는 걸 얻으려 한다는 조이와 크레이그.
and I know we've done some awful things, but so have you.
Right, like lying about your planet dying to climate change.
I was not lying about
Brian, you're a
that.
parasitic worm. There's no way you had a civilization.
I don't
Like, I'm not a scientist, but I have seen a lot of movies, and Joey's right.
Okay, yes, those were lies.
네, 브라이언은 외계인이 아니었습니다. 그냥 태어나보니 이렇게 촉수 괴물인 알 수 없는 지구의 생명체였죠. 조이와 크레이그는 이런 거짓말로 자신을 감추고 남을 속이며 살아온 브라이언의 불안을 알아줍니다. 그리고 브라이언이 본연의 모습으로 살아갈 수 있게 도와주겠다며 손을 내밀어줍니다.
That's all I wanted.
Really?
Yes. Yes. Well, I can't believe I didn't think of this. This is the perfect way to fix everything.
Yeah?
And to think I was going to devour you. I was going to eat you.
세 사람은 크리스탈 앞에 앉아 자신의 마음을 솔직히 털어놓으며 대화를 이어가는데 갑자기 조이는 브라이언의 말에 꼬투리를 잡기 시작합니다.
God, Brian, you're such a fucking narcissist.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're making clones of yourself to take over the world. Which, by the way, why do they all have to look like you?
로라의 몸에서 다시 태어났는데 그녀의 모습을 받아들이지 않는 건 인종과 성차별이고 자신들은 달랐을 거라며 트집을 잡는데 평생 비판이라고는 받아본 적 없는 브라이언은 꽤 큰 충격을 받습니다.
How?
Silence of the Lamb's Cream, bitch!
레모네이드 주사를 찔려놓고 얼굴을 벌집으로 만들어버리는 크레이그. 그리고 둘은 재빨리 저택을 탈출합니다. 그런데
Oh my God! Joey, it's inside me!
놀랍게도 크레이그는 임신을 했습니다.
Joey, you have to cut it out of me. Now. Please!
You have to lift up your shirt.
조이는 배를 가르고 브라이언의 아기를 꺼냅니다.
Fucker bit me.
Joey! Oh God, Joey! He's breaking through! Joey!
Fuck you.
No, you didn't. No!
Right! We aborted your fucking spawn, bitch!
It's not fair! This whole rift between you two, I'm not even involved. You two resented each other from the moment you met. If you truly loved each other, if you were willing to join together with me, we could have had it all. I'm such an ignoramus. The real victim in this situation.
Is he for fucking real?
We can still fix this, Joey. We can. You still love me, don't you? I'll give you my touch whenever you want. You'll never have to worry again. No more anxiety. As much cross-species, sex as you want.
브라이언의 달콤한 말에 홀려 조금씩 다가가는 조이. 네, 이래서 중독자들은 믿으면 안 됩니다.
You swear?
Be with me. Be my queen. Let me rid you of your worries.
I'm your one and only.
Yes.
Your only queen.
Yes. Whatever you want. Yes. Yes.
Die, you fucking bitch! What the fuck is wrong with you? Are you kidding me? Were you actually gonna betray me?
I was giving you time to kill him.
Oh, fuck.
피를 많이 흘린 크레이그는 그대로 쓰러집니다. 그렇게 자신을 가장 잘 알고 있던 절친이 세상을 떠나게 된 조이.
I buried Craig in the desert, which was hard to do because of the whole one-hand thing, but I did it. I made a large batch of sugar-free lemonade and I poured it all over the remaining planters. So the story was real. Yes.
시루사는 궁금한 게 생깁니다.
How come you didn't get impregnated? Did he use like an alien condom? Or he just wasn't able to turn you and that is why he was so intrigued by you?
Shouldn't you be asking me how I feel about Craig's death?
How do you feel?
조이는 크레이그의 꿈을 안고 살아가려 합니다. 그것이 조금이나마 크레이그를 간직하고 기억해주는 거라고 생각했죠.
Red. Blue.
조이는 크레이그의 저택을 떠납니다. 그런데 잊고 있던 화분이 하나 있었습니다. 이 생각이 떠오르자 금단 현상이 스멀스멀 올라오기 시작합니다.
Kill.
殺す
Kill. Kill.